In this lecture, we discuss some programs related to the class. First program is a C++ program to find addition of a two number using class. First, each and every class program can be divided into four sections. First one is a class declaration, class function definition, object declaration, and function accessing. In this the program we want to find addition of two numbers. So we require the variables. Suppose I can be write A and B is a two variables and C variable is used to store the result. To solve this the program we need first class. Okay. Next one is a one function or functions. So first variables, next one is a class name and functions. In this the program or class program, first part is a class declaration. Class keyword and any class name. The name of the class we can be declared related to that the program. So I can be give the class name add. Next one private colon. In this the add class we require the variable, that is a and b two variables. In a private section I can be give the two variables int a, b, these are two numbers, and c is used to store the result. Okay. Next, in a public section mostly we can be give the functions or use the function in a public section. You also use the function name in a private section also, but in this the program I can be declared the function in a public section. The function name is void. How we can be declared the function? We give the data type and function name is calculation or the sum. I can be write the sum function. This function is perform addition of a two number. So I can be give the name or is a function. Third part is a class function definition. How this function can be used in the program? There is a two method which is discussed in a previous lecture. Inside a class definition as well as a outside class definition. This program I can be solved by using inside class definition. So after the declaration of this the class, after the declaration of this the function in a class, we can't end the class declaration. We can be perform implementation of this the function. So in this the bracket sum, say out content of the sum function, say out, enter two numbers. I can be write in a short C in A, B. Okay, these two numbers we can be input in a sum function. Next one is we perform the calculation. C is equal to A plus B. After that, to performing the addition of two number, the result is stored in a C variable. We can be print also in this the program. Addition is equal to C. Okay, here is the ending of that the curly bracket. This bracket is a sum functions bracket or the content of the sum function body is a finish, and after that we can be ending the class declaration. The ending of that the class declaration. Here we can be perform the two parts. First one is a class declaration and second one is a function definition. Declaration as well as a function definition. Definition means implementation of that the class. After that, third part of the class is a object declaration. Here we can't write the void main. After declaration and using of that the functions, we use void main. That is the actual programming part. In a void main, we can be give first object declaration, which is the third part of the class program. How we can be use or declare the object, first we give, there is a one syntax which is also discussed in a previous lecture. We give the class name and any valid variable name which is an object. Suppose I can be use here the D variable. This statement tells the compiler that here is a D is the object of a class add. Okay. This statement is called as a object declaration, which is written in a main program. And last step is accessing this function by using object. So how we can access the function by using the object? There is also the syntax. Give the object name D dot and function name. Here I can be write the function sum. Okay. Here is the ending of the program. There is a main four part of the class. First is the class declaration. After the curly bracket, when we give the semicolon, it tells that here is a declaration of a class is a finish. And in that the class, there is a second part of the class is sum, function declaration. This statement is a function declaration. And after that, the function implementation, because here I can be used inside a class definition. Before ending of the class declaration, I can be declared function as well as defining the function or the implement the function. Third part of the class program is the object declaration. First give the class name and we can be write any variable name. And fourth part is accessing the function, object name dot the function name. Here is the ending of the program to find addition of a two number using class. In this the program I can be use only one function whose name is a sum. And here I can be indicate that this function is belongs to the object D. And this statement tells that D object is a part of the class, that is a add, which is we can be give the class name. Okay, then you can be try to find subtraction of two numbers. Write down the question, write a program in C++ to find subtraction of two numbers by using a class. You use sub function name and the calculation is a class name. These two variable I can be give. The sub is a function name and the calculation